Hi there, Janet Fritz here for Galaxy Girl Creations. Welcome to my channel. Today I am showing how I make my um, alphas out of foam and cardstock using the wafer thin dies. So basically I have this set of dies out today that are from Pink Fresh Studios, and I don't have it in front of me, but they are either the Adore or Heather alphas. I have both sets and I'm not sure which one this is. Although the H's are also from a different Pink Fresh set, and I think they're called Leah or Nate. I could be wrong on the name of it, so if you have questions, leave me a comment down below. But I just wanted to kind of go over the process because I've had several people ask me about it. So basically you saw me take that colored cardstock there. I pull back the foam, the backing on the foam, and I lay the cardstock down, and then I redo the backing right over the cardstock so that when I cut with my scissors, I don't have the adhesive from the foam all over my scissors. So I will show you that one more time in this process. And then I just put the die right over the cardstock side and run it through the little sidekick there. You can also use your Big Shot, whatever type of die cutting machine you have would work. I just happen to use this one because it's small, it's lightweight, and it's right on my desk, and it works great for alpha dies because they are not usually any bigger than the 2.5 inch or 2.25 inch wide path that this machine offers. So and then I just pop them out, and they pop out with the cardstock on the top and the foam on the bottom. In this case I chose to use black foam. You could use any color foam you want. I do frequently mix it up. Here I go again. I'm going to peel back the backing on the foam to show the adhesive side. I lay the cardstock right over the top of it, put the backing right back over it so that I can cut right along the edge of where the cardstock meets the foam. I don't really want a lot of the adhesive portion visible because that just makes your plates for your die cutting machine sticky, and so you just try and get it as close as possible, and then you just pop them out. It works really well. And I am going to show you on these Pink Fresh ones, I'm being a little careful as I pop them out because they have a complete outline that goes around each of those letters that gets cut along with the letter. And so I'm going to cut them twice, and here I'm going to do the same thing with the black cardstock on black foam because I want a black outline all the way around those letters. The outline can be a little bit fragile, especially with the foam. They cut great just on cardstock as well without the foam, but with the foam I don't want to like rip the little thin outline, and you're going to see here how narrow it is when I pull it off of this black one that I am cutting. So I'm being kind of gentle, just pulling it apart, and then I am going to put it all the way around the letters so that it makes a nice outline and gives a lot of kind of a bold look to the letters because the layout that they are going on is pretty busy. And I am going to show you a shot of the layout at the very end here with the entire title intact. Now, if you are interested in seeing how the whole layout came together, that video was for Stretch the Sketch on Sunday, August 15th. So you can go back and check out that video as well if you want to see how the whole layout came together in case you missed that. So here I got the W with the black outline, and you can see how nicely that black outline really makes those the colors stand out within the letter. I think the black outline just kind of finishes it off nicely, especially when you're using a bold patterned paper and you've got a lot of stuff going on your layout. Hopefully that explained it. If you have any questions, you can leave those down below. I'd be happy to answer any questions you may have. I have had questions, people ask me to show this, so I wanted to make sure I got that out there for you. Have a great day. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.